The
Centre Pompidou is evidently a hugely iconic project in Paris. A museum project where we are assisting the client with the renovation of this heritage site. It's really significant for us as architects to be involved in the project and work hand in hand with the Centre Pompidou teams.
Our work on this project consists of renovating all the facades, all of the networks, and reinstating the project to comply with safety, fire, and equitable accessibility standards. So it's a fairly complex, comprehensive brief involving all aspects of the building. The centre will close for several years, during which we will take over and renovate it. We will give it a new lease of life for the next 50 years. By completely renovating all the mechanicals, plants, and facades, we will allow the centre to look to the future as it was built, as Renzo Piano said, to last 500 years. We don't claim to be building for 500 years. But what we do notice, though, is that this building has many qualities, and that with new materials and today's technologies, we will be able to project it into the future and allow it to continue its mission of public service and culture for at least the next 50 years. It's such an extraordinary building that when you first approach it as an architect or engineer, you freeze a bit thinking, oh boy, what I'm doing is sacrilege. But we quickly got over that by adopting a method that ultimately involves embracing the philosophy of the original designers, which is to do something that is truly innovative while preserving everything that makes up the centre's DNA. Here, for example, we have a section of the facade. These elements are found every 1.25 meters and are 7 meters high. They are called stiffening columns and serve to reinforce the facade from the outside. They're a prototype and exist only at the Centre Pompidou and nowhere else. The facades are, let's say, no longer compliant, misted over, sometimes containing asbestos. Our job will be to restore and reinstate them. To do so, we'll preserve as many components as possible. The stiffening columns, what are called the U-profiles here, and the anchoring pieces here made especially for the operation. We're going to remove the glass and replace it with today's new high-performance glazing, at the same time taking the opportunity to clean all the joints and anything that may contain any hazardous materials. These are some examples of the work we'll be doing on the centre, preserving as much as possible. All these elements are in very good structural condition and will replace only what needs to be replaced.
I'm Delphine Bégy, I'm architect and president of AIA Life Designers, and this is the Architects series.